Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make basket plant hanger. The twine is amazing for any kind of project. I had it at home. I'm going to pull out the thread and make a simple line in between the basket. Let me show you how to do it. And I'm going to make several twines, so the design should look good because I'm going to braid it in the middle. The braid is done, so I'm going to use more twines, each the braid in the middle of the braids, just to make our knots over there and make another basket kind of shape, kind of cover for the front, so we could put the plant inside it. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is an art and you can be creative with it. You can use macrame, wool, twine, or whatever you prefer. Now that the threadings are done, so I'm going to make simple knots and I'm going to start the weaving according to the design that I have in my mind, which is like simply knotting all of them together and then leaving one and then joining the other knots together. To make a basket plant hanger, the only important thing is that you should have the basket, and then with the twine or with the macrame, you will just start making the knots, which is very easy. Anyone can do it. You can make small knots or bigger knots, and you can just leave one space, like few of the spaces just empty without anything, or you can just make a bigger knot in the middle and start being creative with it. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. So now our design is done and I will use a lighter to give it a clean look. Just make sure that you will do it in a safe place. You shouldn't burn anything else with it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.